Omi's Baba.
Una what's that game yesterday?
She Arsenal this one.
Mad one.
Yes.
Una watch the man. This season sure for me, sweet my bed there. You see that coach where they now? Bam! By the time this guy finish work, who not care? Who be Man U? Who be Man City now? Who not be now? Me I dey collect league next season, Champions League, Premier League. Wetin una dey talk?
Man tell you, na too worst. Say you na dey play, na dey lose for Premiership. Very soon na go dey play with Eyimba, Kano Pillars.
Na me do me say I call na. Abebe na call it.
Well, I don't go anywhere. I no go, guy. I no go. Show my age me. Show my, you know age. You know my age. Show my age me.
See, una wey be say dem I don't enter wahala na once una dey make
I go not you get on my head.
Man U, Liverpool, wicked boy. Then I get out, nothing. I just say na even sabi but get out. Look at you, yeah boys there.
Bros, I stop all this, me better enter Man U, me stop all this.
Idiot. Men I get out come on for this.